I want to explain why I don't just use chess triangles. I know it may sound like a dumb moment, but there are actually 2 more corruptions I made. Anyways, I don't know how to word it, so let's just move on. So these are your everyday corruptions, with the triangle on the left meaning purification and the octagram on the right being pure paint corruption. The way a pure shape can get corrupted is by being attacked or touched by another shape or an object that has been infected with paint corruption. The only known ways to uncorrupt a corrupted shape is by a hero rather purifying the corrupted shape, or a caretaker using the Dorito Healer 2000 on the corrupted shape. So basically the cycle goes like this: pure shape gets corrupted, then gets purified, then gets corrupted again, then gets purified again, so on, so forth. But what if we added 2 more corruptions called Aether Paradise Corruption and Reformed Purification? Well, if we added them, the cycle would change. But before we discuss the cycle, we should talk about them first. We'll start off with Aether Paradise Corruption, which was created by, well, Aether Paradise. Aether Paradise is an evil group that is working under Dub, and they are one of the main reasons for why the paint corruption is spreading more faster than usual. I wouldn't necessarily call this a corruption, but if you were a lab experiment by Aether Paradise, it would be a way for them to control you. Aether Paradise Corruption can also make a solution with paint corruption, which is called the pink chemical effect. This effect occurs on accident and should be avoided at all costs. Now moving on to Reformed Purification, which is the Mary Sue out of the rest. Reformed Purification affects the corruption cycle very weirdly, but let's keep it short. Reformed Purification basically makes you invincible to corruption, but it's very complicated. Now let's explain the cycle. As stated earlier, normal pure shapes get corrupted by getting touched by another shape or an object with pink corruption. But the way a normal pure shape can get Aether Paradise Corruption is by their soul being stolen by some type of droid made by Aether Paradise and being reincarnated into their basically alter ego. The way to cure Aether Paradise Corruption is unknown, but a few science experiments were able to be uncorrupted. If uncorrupted from Aether Paradise Corruption, you will be on the stage of Reformed Purification. Once you're on the stage of Reformed Purification, you can't get any type of corruption, and you can't have normal purification. However, you will still die of natural circumstances. You can't get Reformed Purification from pink corruption, but if you get pink corruption and then Aether Paradise Corruption, then you can get Reformed Purification. You also can't get Reformed Purification through normal purification either. I hope this guide helped on understanding corruption a little bit. Now please stop watching this. It even isn't that interesting.